Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I made the ice cream faluda in a restaurant style. And this is totally old-fashioned, the way we ate before. I used sago or pearl tapioca for this faluda. If you like, you can use shave or chia seeds instead of the sagudana. So let's get started. Before I started, I just make ready everything on the hand. First, here is a cup of milk. This milk is way little cooler than normal temperature. I kept this milk in a 10 minutes in deep freezer. Please don't make more than that, so it's gonna be ice. I didn't use any ice cube because of that. And I cooked the sago and I made the malai and set in a bowl, so it's gonna be get normal temperature. Some apple slices, pistachios, nut slices, and 2 types of jello. Of course, they have a flavor kind of when I tasted. Red is kind of cherry flavor and green is kind of green apple flavor. So that's all for the faluda. The first step is to make the malai. So here I took 2 cups of milk and I stir in a high flame. So make sure those 2 cups of milk decrease in a 1 cup. And when I see the milk is getting a little thicker, here I am using 1 cup of coffee mate. If you like, you can use the milk powder, but I love the coffee mate flavor. After 5 to 7 minutes, when you see the consistency getting little thicker, then add half container of condensed milk. It's depend on the sweet level. Actually I tested and I saw the sweet was okay, so then I stopped adding the condensed milk. And the second part is to cook the sago or pearl tapioca. The name I'm using because if you like to order online, then you will need this name. So I cooked this in a medium flame for 15 minutes and then I just drain the water and I make ready 2 bowls of cold water. So first bowl I just rinse a little bit and then I transfer it to the second bowl. So make sure the sago is not getting overcooked, it's just getting cooler as soon as possible. And this 1 cup of sago is great for 2 serving. Here I set the cup and then I'm adding first the ruafza and the glass wall, and then I'm adding sago, after that I'm adding green jello and the red jello, and here is the apple slices. If you like, you can add pomegranate slices too. Pomegranate always stick in the mouth, that's why I don't like it. I'm using the malai first before the milk, so malai gonna be a top coat with all the ingredients. So at the bottom everything gonna be well organized until you serve faluda. And after that I'm adding cold milk and then ice cream on the top, then pistachios nut, and last but not the least is ruafza at the very top. It will look so decorative when you serve the faluda. And ruafza flavor is really great. If you like, you can add ruafza with your other drinks. It will help you to make your body cooler in the summertime. I really love ruafza in my all other drinks. So the faluda is ready to serve. Only in the shop you can see there is an ice cube they're adding, but I didn't use the ice cube because it's in a home I'm eating it, so that's why I just use very cold milk. That's why I kept that in a freezer for 10 minutes. It was so cold. So if you like ice cube, you can add the ice cube. Otherwise, everything in same way whatever we ate in the restaurant. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.